Hi, it's Dave
Barbara.
from Hiking with Dave and Barbara. You can catch our blog on www.hikingwithdaveandbarbara.com, or you can catch our YouTube channel, Hiking with Dave and Barbara. Anyway, we've come the short distance from our home in Stockport down to this pub called Cat and Fiddle. We're on the Macclesfield to Buxton road, I think, and we're just going to do the short walk down towards Shining Tor, down to Pim's Chair, down to the Goit Valley, and back around to the Cat and Fiddle. Anything to add, Barbara, before we go?
Nothing like a glorious day.
Yeah.
It'll be a really nice walk. We've got a couple of friends today as well, so it'll be really nice.
Yeah, we're with Joe and Jane today, so it should be great. Just watch the traffic crossing this road. It's crazy with lorries and
going
stuff.
by, yes.
Okay, we'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow, what a great little walk that was. Sunshine, wall-to-wall sunshine. And we've actually managed to get a coffee, which isn't bad in lockdown, from the Cat and Fiddle behind us. Anything to add on the walk, Barbara?
Very recommend it really. Sort of 3-4 hours, a couple of bits of elevation, walk down to the reservoir, back up the hill. The view is absolutely tremendous. Cheshire that way, Derbyshire behind us. Yeah, and close enough to Macclesfield, Manchester, Buxton. Yeah. Good location for a walk.
Yeah,
roadside parking.
Roadside parking is probably 7 or 8 miles. I'm not sure about the altitude, but there's a little bit of a scent in it, but it's still just a great walk. I recommend it for nearly anyone. Anyway, we'll see you on the next walk. Bye-bye.
Bye.